number 1, solve the following simultaneous equation. So A, x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, and then x squared plus xy minus 40 is equal to 0. To solve this, first find the linear equation. So get linear equation, and you see here you have x and y, so y in terms of x or x in terms of y. So find the easiest one. You see here you have just x, so it will be easier to find x in terms of y. Okay, you have the first equation, the second equation. From the first equation, from 1, okay, x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. You can find x. Okay, x is equal to, so you move negative 3y to other side and become positive 3y. Positive 4 become negative 4. So you have the third equation. Okay, find the linear equation, x in terms of y, and then you substitute inside the other equation. And then you substitute 3 into 2. In 2, you have x squared plus xy minus 40 is equal to 0. When you substitute, x is equal to 3y minus 4 square plus x is 3y minus 4 minus 40 is equal to 0. Now you can expand. 3y square is equal to 9y square. 2 times negative 4, negative 8. Negative 8 times 3, you get negative 24y. And then 4 square is 16. This one is a plus b square. So when you square, you get a square plus 2ab plus b square. You square the first one, and then this one multiply this one, and then you square the second term. Okay, done with this one. Okay, this one I think y is, I have y here, right? 3y times y, you get plus 3y square. Negative 4 times y, you get negative 4y minus 40 is equal to 0. 9 plus 3, you get 12y square. Negative 24 minus, okay, so this one is done, just cut it off. Okay, negative 24 minus 4, you get negative 28y, and 16, okay, this one done. 16 minus 40, you get negative 20 is equal to 0. So you see you can divide everything with 4. Divide with 4, you get 3y squared. 28 divided by 4, you get 7y. Negative 24 divided by 4, you get negative 6 is equal to 0. Now you can factorize. This one is either you factorize or you can do using formula, but I think using factorization is easier. You can just use your calculator. So you get y minus 3, 3y plus 2, where y minus 3 is equal to 0, 3y plus 2 is equal to 0, y is equal to 3, and here 3y plus 2 is equal to 0, 3y is equal to negative 2, y is equal to negative 2 over 3. Now when you get the value of y, you can substitute back inside equation 3 to get the value of x. Okay, using calculator depending on what calculator you are using. So for mine, menu, and then just alpha A, and then this one is polynomial degree 2, because the highest power is 2, right? 3y squared minus 7y minus 6. Just press 3, negative 7, negative 6. So you get 3, which is y is equal to 3, and another one is negative 2 over 3. So basically when you get this one inside your calculator, then you turn it back inside this one, where you see a 3 will move up, so you get 3y, and negative will become positive. So this is how you use calculator to get this one. Okay, now you have y, you can find your x. Okay, down here when y is equal to 3, x is equal to 3y, 3 minus 4, which is equal to 9 minus 4, which is equal to 5. When y is equal to negative 2 over 3, x is equal to 3y, right? 3 negative 2 over 3 minus 4. So this one can be cancelled out. Negative 2 minus 4, where you get negative 6. Thus, so we put back the pairs. So when y is equal to 3, x is equal to 5, right? So x is equal to 5, y is equal to 3, and this one is x is equal to negative 6, y is equal to negative 2 over 3 is the are the solutions for this linear equation. P, k minus 3p is equal to negative 1. P plus pk minus 2k is equal to 0. Choose the easiest one in term of something. So we have k and p. It's either k in term of p or p in term of k. But I think the easiest one would be here, k in term of p. So this one is 1, this one is 2. From 1, k minus 3p is equal to negative 1. K is equal to, so you want k, you bring negative 3p to the other side. Negative become positive, and this one you have minus 1. This one is the third equation. After you get the third equation, then you will substitute inside the other equation. Okay. So here you have 3 into 2. So 2 is p plus pk minus 2k is equal to 0. Now you are going to substitute k. P plus p, k is 3p minus 1 minus 2, k is 3p minus 1 is equal to 0. Now you can expand. So p is p. Second one, p times 3p, you get 3p squared. P times negative 1, you get negative p. And this one, negative 2 times 3p, you get negative 6p. Negative 2 times negative 1, you get 2 is equal to 0. So here 3p squared. P minus p, you get 0. And negative 6p plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, you see here, if you try using your calculator, you press menu, and for mine, alpha A, polynomial, and second degree, because the highest degree is, the highest power is 2. So 3, negative 6, and 2. Okay, when you do this, you see here you get something like this. So this is not integer. So when this is not integer, you cannot directly factorize. So what you have to do, you have to calculate it using formula. Either using formula or completing the square, either one is the same. Okay, so it will be easier to use formula. You don't have to calculate, you just key in everything. Formula, negative b, x is equal to negative b plus minus cert b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. From this one, you have 3, negative 6 and 2. A is equal to 3, b is equal to negative 6, and then c is equal to 2. So this is p. P is equal to negative, b is negative 6, plus minus b square, b is negative 6 square minus 4, a is 3, c is 2, divided by 2a to 3. Negative, negative 6, you get 6 plus minus negative 6 square is 36. 36 minus 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 2, 24. Divided by 6. Which is equal to this one, 6 plus minus 12 divided by 6. So P is equal to 6 plus 12 divided 6. Or P is equal to 6 minus 12 divided by 6, which is equal to, so you can use calculator for this one. Okay, 6 plus 12 divided by 6 get 1.5773. 1.577, so it is enough actually for 4 significant figure, but more also okay. Okay, and the second one, this one the same thing, you just have to minus this one, okay, which is equal to 0.4226. 0.4226. This is P, okay, so you have to find where is your K. When you have P, you can find your K. Here, K is equal to 3P minus 1, right? When P is equal to 1.5773, K is equal to 3P minus 1, 3P minus 1, which is equal to, and then when P is equal to 0.4226, K is equal to 3 times 0.4226 minus 1. 3 times 1.5773 minus 1. So I get 3.7319. 3.7319. And 3 times 0.4226 minus 1. So here I get 0.2678. 0.2678. So just put the pairs here, P and K, right? So when P is equal to 1.5773, K is equal to 3.7319, and P is equal to 0.4226, K is equal to 0.2678 are the solutions to this simultaneous equation.